This is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and today I'll show how you can fix the incoming phone call receptivity issues on this device. So if you're experiencing any problems with receiving incoming phone calls, I would recommend that you start by checking if your system is in the airplane mode, and if it is in it, switch it off. You might also want to check if the Not Disturb mode feature is enabled by launching Settings, going into Notifications, Not Disturb mode, and switching it off if it is active. Then what you might also want to do is to reboot your smartphone, so simultaneously press and hold volume down and side power buttons just like so, and here tap at the restart option. Then you can also go into Settings, or actually launch the phone app, go into its settings rather, and try switching off the Wi-Fi calling features, and sometimes it may interfere with your ability to receive incoming phone calls. Anyway, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.